Hey guys, this is John, and today we're going to talk about something that's not really a tool, but more of like a tool enhancer, something that can really help you be more efficient in the shop. One of the things I really don't like when I'm working in the shop is having to run over to the dust collector to turn it on and off. And some dust collectors actually have an outlet built in that allows you to plug your tool directly into the collector or extractor to power on the unit when you start using your power tool, like a miter saw. I've got an old shop vacuum that I use as one of my dust collectors, and it doesn't have an automatic feature like that. So what I'm using instead is an iSocket Autoswitch. And I think this is actually pretty cool. How it works is you set the switch to auto, you plug the power tool here in the top, and then when you turn on the tool, it actually energizes the two outlets down below. You can plug the dust collector or dust extractor into either one of these, and it'll activate it as soon as there's a power draw at this outlet. Now these retail for about $50. And if you're interested in picking one up, I'll put a link for it in the description down below. Now the unit's actually rated for 15 amps. And one of my hesitations when I first got it was that if I hooked up a dust extractor or dust collector shop vacuum to it and also hooked up a power tool, that it'd actually be overloading the circuit. Well, one of the cool things that this has is kind of a delay start feature. So there's just a slight delay to allow the motor to start up and allow that heavy load to pass before it actually begins to deliver power to the dust collector and energize that outlet. So while I really like this overall and it is a big efficiency gain, there are a couple of things that I wish could be improved with it. And the first is that it only has one power tool outlet. And sometimes you're running multiple tools like a drill press or a miter saw or a sander, and you want to be able to turn on the dust extractor or shop vac when you fire up any of those. So only having one is a limitation. The second thing is, if you notice on the back here, this only has one outlet, but because of its width, it takes up quite a bit of real estate. So while it'll work well on either a single gang or double gang outlet box, it will cover up some of the outlets on a double gang box and make that inaccessible. So this is the least restrictive to other power needs if you're plugging it directly into a single gang box. Now once the unit's running, it'll actually keep the power tool on for about 5 seconds to allow the dust extractor or shop vac to clear any debris out of the line before it turns it off. Also, if you're turning on the tool and making repeated cuts within that 5-second period, it'll keep the shop vac running. So that's all I wanted to cover today. I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about something that I find useful to help efficiency here in the workshop. If you like this video, please hit the like button and check back here for more useful tips and tricks and other tool reviews. Thanks for watching and have a good one.